What's good, y'all? This is part two of backtesting session. Last time we stopped at March 18. Currently we up 7.6k past 3 months, February, January, March, and it was a 50k account at start. Now we're just simply growing it, right? And yeah, let's start. So let me see 9:30 open. Let's see how what price does. Pretty bullish coming to the morning. Let's see. All right, we could have their 30-second. Let's see if there's a reason for price to dump. I feel like we're at all-time highs. Oh, never mind. I forgot that we're not even there. Just gonna mark out this gap. That is the gap that I like to see get filled, potentially rejecting from there, but not necessary because we swept the buy side around liquidity. We don't really have to go there. Just gonna mark out this low right there. Scale to 15-minute. Let's scale to 5-minute. And yeah, 9:30 is opening up pretty bullish, which is good. We have some, I believe. Yeah, we got some lows, some sell side, but not as clean. Let me see if there's a 30-second. Yeah, there's a 30-second. Let's see. Okay. A lot of low resistance generation, and there's that 30-second. It'll probably play out because we just tapped that 1 hour, but let me go to 1 hour chart real quick. Damn, is there a 5-minute gap? Yeah. The issue with this 30-second would be that it could definitely manipulate higher and still generate that low resistance. We could get stopped out, but I feel like we have some really good lows though. But this could be way too early for way too early for me to enter. But let me see how's ES moving. Oh wait, we actually have an SMT. Maybe. I don't really know. Did it fill the 5-minute? No. But we got okay. I'm trying this. We got SMT on ES, right? In Q. This is a very low risk 30-second with good RR, a lot of low resistance. So if this is gonna be a loss, I will not be too mad about this, but this has very low chance of playing out. Low key, this is gonna fuck up my statistics, but whatever. I'm just gonna let it play. And ideally, we go break even. Let's see. Let me go to 1 minute real quick. Okay. I don't even want to go break even. I would probably, if it was live market, I'd go break even because 9:45 is opening up. And there's a big possibility of 15-minute candle opening higher, risk sweeping, manipulating higher, and then price reversing. So, but I'll just let it run. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, literally exact thing I told that would happen. But it's fine. That was like $100 risk. Now though, we can pretty much get a really decent setup from here. And oh my god, this is so A plus. Holy shit. Now this is whole different thing. This is so clean. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna stop, so we'll be there. Full TP here. A lot of wait, is there some T? Damn. ES has like low resistance above and Q has it below. Whatever though. It's like somewhere here. We might go break even. Let's see. This is pretty plus. Okay, this woman is closed pretty bearish. We have that CISD. I'm not going break even here. I'll probably just let it play out. I'm just gonna see if there's a 5. Yeah, I'm just gonna go break even at 5-minute. Let's see. Okay, that's where I go break even. It already gave that 101 RR, but I'm aiming for better risk reward on it. And yeah, there we go. Bang. That first setup was not clean, but that was a low risk. So probably I'm not gonna try those type of setups now because that's gonna mess up my statistics. That's actually not the way I trade, but I don't know why I took it. But this 1 minute here was pretty A plus. So let's go to the next start of the session. It's gonna be Tuesday, March 19. Let me see if there was any sort of news. No, we don't have anything. We have FMC day after. Okay. Let's scale to 1 minute and let's see how price moves. At 9:30, we open lower. Instant reaction back. Looks like we just flushed through low resistance. Overall structure looking bullish. Never mind. Actually, we are inside of that 1 hour. I would probably not take anything here. Definitely not 30 seconds. They would not be good. Just gonna watch. Okay. Let's see. New 15-minute. Let's see how it opens up. Opening higher. Okay. Alright, it looks like we're gonna eventually dump. There's that 5-minute. Is there any sell side that we're targeting right now? Alright, there is this previous week low, I believe. This is the sell side. Okay, so I'll be bearish. Because we're reacting of this 1 hour. Overall, super bearish. Really strong bearish close on 15-minute. 5-minute gap. And yeah, I mean, low resistance generation. I would not try shorts. I'll just wait for more structure. Didn't close this 1 minute yet. Probably there's a 30-second right now. Let me see. But yeah, 10 a.m. is close. I'll just rip. I'll just wait. We're about to have some really insane candles. 10 a.m. opens higher, resweeps, I believe, that 5-minute that's holding, taps that 15. Now this looks perfect. This looks really good. This 30-second looks, oh my god. And we got that SMT, right? Is there SMT? No, there is no SMT. But still, this 30-second looks wild. But I need better close. This didn't close yet. Holy amount of low resistance. That is crazy. I don't care about this 5 getting inverted. We're inside of that 15. Just want to see. Okay. Scale to 1 minute. Let me see. Alright. There we getting that displacement. Perfect. Let's see. There's this tiny 1 minute. I want to see that close. Okay, that is perfect. I'm going to short here. Overall, this looks pretty solid. Stop loss above. I'll go full TP at these lows. I could actually aim for like insane RR and target that previous week low, but I'm not going to do that though. That's too much. But overall, this looks really solid. So I'm just going to try this short. It's going to be around 1.6 RR. A lot of low resistance. Might actually full CP here. Don't really need more than that. But I'm really confident this will play out. So let's see. Break even spot. I don't even know where I would break even. Okay. How did 15-minute open lower? Yeah, I would not go breaking. I'll just play it out. And bang. There we go. Wow, that's a perfect TP. As you can see, this low didn't get taken. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's go to the next start of session. All right. Where's my... All right, there we go. Okay, let me delete everything. Let's see what 930 does. Okay. That's really good open. Displacement lower. Holy dump. Okay. I don't see anything yet. It's crazy as dump. Okay. Okay. That could be some 30-second there. Let me see higher time frame. We're inside of that 1 hour. We reswept this internal low right here. Overall, looks like we were in a bullish structure. Yeah, we are overall bullish. We got some gaps below this 4 hour, but obviously I'm not really expecting to trade all the way there, but respecting this wick, not necessarily. You don't have to trade all the way to this buy side drawn liquidity, but I'm still gonna mark it out. Overall bullish, but I'll just probably wait to see how market moves. Let's see if there was SMT. Wait, there was SMT, right? Yeah, okay, there was actually an SMT. Yeah, we could be bearish. Shorts could be good. And 5 minutes is overall like insane bearish. I would probably not look for longs. We don't have any sort of targets here. So I'm just gonna let it rip. Just gonna see. Just what I want to see here is like price trade higher, generate low resistance below, and then we get that short. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's see 10 a.m. open. Okay. Damn, that's insane accumulation. Hold on. All right, finally we got that. Let me see, 15. We're inside of this 15. Inside of this 5. Okay. All right, now we have this 5 minute unfilled gap below. 30 minute is open. Lots of low resistance below. 15 minute got inverted, which is not what I really wanted to see, but overall I am bearish, so I feel like I wouldn't really care if that happened. Just want to see how 30 minutes will open up. I'm not taking this short. I'm not really confident in this, but it plays out. Wait. Fuck, wait. Did that 5 minute? Okay, it did not. Okay, the 5 minute closes. Let me see. We still have that low resistance. This 5 looks really good. I would try this short. I'll try like some like this. Stops right here. And aiming for 101 RR on this one. I just don't like this rejection though. At 5 minute. We're definitely gonna have that pullback. But I don't remember. Wait, where did 10:30 the 30 minute opened? Yeah, manipulate the lower. Yeah, this might not play out actually. Wait. Considering that we're bullish reacting of that. But there are so many lows. Yeah, I'm so bearish. I don't care. I'll definitely rip this no matter what, cause I'll be bearish as fuck on this day. Wait, isn't this like FOMC day? Wednesday. Oh, okay, that's like 2 p.m. We got FOMC. We could be generating all the sell side, so FOMC is gonna come lower and dump. If this doesn't play out, then we're gonna leave probably these lows for later. Let's see. All right, so that gap is open, and let me see. We could try some short of that gap. I don't know if I would cancel my limit, but I feel like I'm bearish, so I'm just gonna keep that limit order. Let's see. All right, so well, we just flushed through all that low resistance. We didn't get an entry. We just left this low. I'm not gonna have that limit order no more. But let's see. Okay, that's where we would have got tapped out if I've kept that order. Let's see if it would have played out. Yeah, I would have not. Oh, it would have hit my stop loss. And yeah, it's a very choppy. It's like because of FOMC. Let me skip. Let me see if FOMC ended up dumping. I'm just curious. It's gonna be around 14. Yeah, let's go. Oh shit, it was extremely bullish. But yeah, it ended up, as you can see, it ended up playing out. A very long trade, but if I had like stop loss a little bit above, it would have played out. But we got stopped by like tick, so. But I didn't take this because it was already too choppy. I don't like that. Let's go to the start of New York session. March 21. Let me delete everything. Let's go. Let's see. Where is price? Oops. It's here. Okay, let's see what 9:30 does. First, let me check what we got on Thursday. If we have any news, we got 8:30, 9:45. Okay. 9:30 opening lower. Okay. Okay, I still don't. I would wait for 9:45. And there's the news. Okay. Let me scale higher time frame. Let's see what we got. We got some triple lows here. That's a very strong sell side. Scale down to 15 on ES. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, it's not that different. Let me see 1 hour. 1 hour chart looks good. Bearish gap below. I feel like there's also 4 hour gaps below. Yeah. Okay. All-time highs. Extremely bullish. Let's see. Triple lows below, which is good. CISD right here, respecting this gap. Damn, everything is in 2 minute has inverted. 3 minute didn't invert. Yeah. 3 minute has inverted. There's that internal low, that would be break even spot. 5 minute. Okay, a lot of equal lows. Overall, everything seems pretty solid to me. This was 9:45 news. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's try shorts here. I really like short here. I'm gonna have my stop right above this fair value gap. I don't want that to get disrespected. My full CP would be probably at this, not probably, would definitely be at those triple lows. It's gonna be this type of short. It's gonna be around 1.4 RR. I'm very confident in this. Let's see. Okay, that's where I would. That's not. Wait, hold on. Let me see if there's SMT. Okay, I would wait for those triple low. Oh, well, that was quick. Let's go to next New York session. Friday, March 22. Miscale. Oh my god, I keep doing this. All right. 9:30 opening up. Okay, damn, what a barcode. Was there news? Pavel speaking? Okay. Probably that's what made it so choppy. Holy barcode, damn, this looks terrible. I'll probably skip this day. I don't really like the start of this day. It's like, also we're inside of this 1 hour, we're inside of this huge range. Yeah, I would not trade this, I'll just skip it. Monday, March 25. Let me see if we got news. No, nothing. Okay, let me scale to lower time frame. Oh my god, look at the amount of low resistance. Probably 9:30 will wipe out all this low resistance. Let's see. Oh, I like that wick. Oh my god, I like this. I love it. I love this. This looks so good. Oh my god, this is like such a textbook setup. Okay, 1 hour gap holding. We rebalanced this range to equilibrium, I guess, right? Yeah, we did. A lot of one hour gaps above. 9:30 open lower. Took out the sell side. I mean, could this been better, bro? This is, and there's some sort of SMT. I don't care about SMTs. With the buy side, this looks overall so fucking clean. 9:30 wicking lower. This bullish close, holy, this looks so good. I'll try this. Stops would be probably somewhere here at half of this wick. Maybe, no, actually I would have it here. I don't want price to display slower. It's extremely bullish. I want it to just go higher from here. Let's see if there was 2 minute. Oh shit, there was a 2 minute. I didn't even notice. Oh my god, it just wicked, bro. Just wicked that break-even spot. I don't know if I would take this now. Definitely not with this. Definitely not with this candle, though. Let's see. I would not take it because of that candle, but it'll probably play out. Okay, wait, hold on. Might actually get some decent stuff here. Oh, I like that wick. I really like this. So what's happening here is we got this CISD, right? And we're respecting it so far. Overall, stacked highs above. Extremely bullish, I'd say, considering all this buy side. Really clean accumulation. We didn't flush through any of those. We just wicked this high. But the thing is, like, price definitely could seek lower from here. It's like, Do I rush or not? Okay, let me try longs here. I really like longs, so I'm gonna have stops here. It's gonna full TP right there. In real markets, I'll probably be patient. However, we are up 9K, so we can afford this low risk trade, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's why bro, I gotta stop hopping in this early trades because I know they're not gonna play out, but I don't know why I'm doing this. I knew this was gonna happen, but okay, whatever. It's crazy how we left those highs. It's actually insane. Wait, we can get some nasty longs now. Okay, there's that 4 minute. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, buddy. Okay, now this is what I call an A plus setup. That first trade obviously was not the best, but this right here is so fucking clean. It's crazy. It's gonna aim for this second 1 hour gap. Just gonna try this. This looks so good. It's gonna be around, I believe, 1.3 RR, 1.4. Cool. All right, so I'd go break even. I don't even want to go break even because we didn't tap that 1 hour gap. I'm just gonna wait till we tap it. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna go break even now. And boom. Easy. Okay, I'm not gonna take these early trades. So for those watching, this is how I trade, okay? I wait for 9:30. 9:30 always gives you narrative, so it always tells you what's happening. So in this case, 9:30 opens wicks lower, and it was actually false, right? We got that SMT above, and I believe I said that I could manipulate lower still, but the reason I took this was because I thought, you know, we might have ran higher, but I knew that this could happen, so I went with the very low risk. But the 945, what do we get, right? We get this displacement lower, but we instantly displace higher. That 4 minute gets inverted. Literally with a one single candle, we have a lot of low resistance, a lot of stacked highs, and low resistance is probably like one of the best draws on liquidities. Like genuinely, I've never seen price not take it out. Like every time price like moves like this and generates low resistance, it will always come up and take it all out. Like I've genuinely never seen price not doing it. So, and usually why it forms, and it usually gets wiped out once we do this manipulation type of move. And for example here, all of this was just accumulation, right? And this whole leg was what? It was manipulation, and then we ended up just distributing higher. So that is just the logic, and that's simply how market moves. So if you see low resistance and if you get that IFG, if you sweep the sell side or buy side liquidity, just know that it's super A plus. It's gonna be super clean setup, and I've never seen it fail. So yeah, that was just a short sauce right there. So let's go to the next day, Tuesday, March 26th. Okay, let's see what happens. We opening lower, opening higher. Okay, I don't see nothing yet. I'm just gonna wait for 9:45. We open higher. Oh fuck, I was checking 4 minute. Okay. Okay, we're inside of that 15 minute. Let me see 1 hour. We're inside of that 1 hour. Let me see that 4 hour. Holy chop chop. Let me delete everything. Where is ES trading? Okay. Let's get down to 1 hour. Okay, we're gonna sweep that internal low. Low-key, this 1 hour closing below making CISD is kind of telling me that we could run lower because we have this low, some decent sell side below. So I feel like we could definitely get some decent stuff here. Let me see what 9:45 did. Ended up taking, if there was an SMT, was there SMT? No, there was no SMT. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not looking for shorts. I'm just gonna see what happens at 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. opens higher. Okay. See 1 hour chart. It's extremely bullish. 15-minute is still holding. There's this unfilled 5-minute here. Is there a 30-second? Yeah, there's a 30-second. Would I take this? 10 a.m. opened right here. No, I would not take that 30-second. I'd take it if we're gonna close 1 minute and make that CISD right there, but I highly doubt that we will. But if we do, I'll take. Oh, that is where I'm gonna try shorts. Wait, let me see if there's a 2-minute. Oh shit! Wait. There is a 3-minute. Unfortunately, there is a 3-minute, so I'm not trying this short. I'm just gonna wait for more structure. Okay, yeah, would have played out, but it's fine. Let's see. Holy. Okay, some really good longs here, actually. Only thing is like all these stack lows below that. That's what I don't like, but. And 15 is holding. Just gonna be a hard one. It's gonna be hard. This gonna probably play out, but I'm not gonna take the longs because I'm not really confident in longs. Let's see if that played out. Yeah, did not really. Okay, well, no entries. We just took out all the sell side from here. I don't think I'll be watching price, but let me see. Let's see what happened next. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Let's go to the next day. Let's see what 930 does. Holy amount of low resistance. Gonna flush through all of those. Yep, exactly. Oh my god, damn. Okay. Okay, just gonna wait for 945. Let's see. Okay, we're getting that displacement higher, tapping that 5. Overall bearish as fuck. No 1 hour gaps, no 4 hour gaps, I guess. Yeah, we're inside of that 4 hour. Overall looks hella bearish. I'll look for some sort of continuation shorts here. Just gonna wait for more struck. Okay, no entry, I guess. Yeah, it's a no entry trade. I'm not gonna take this. I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. Oh my god, what a dumb. Let's see. Okay, there's that sell side there. 4 hours bearish as fuck. We got, I believe, yeah, we have that SMT, and let's see what 10 a.m. did. Okay, it instantly opens lower, which is good. Holy displacement, that is insane. Bearish dumb. All right, we just took out this sell side. Now we could definitely expect some reversal. I just want to see some sort of pullback and then resweep and then IFG back and then longs. Oh my god, that's exactly what I said, bro. I'm like a market maker in this shit, bro. Holy. Alright, unfilled gap here. Unfilled 5-minute here. Overall decent wick. Okay, so 10:15 is opening up, and what could happen here is that this 10:15 could manipulate lower, resweep it, and then give us longs, generating low resistance somewhere here. So do I want to take this? I would probably not take it. Not probably, I'd definitely not try this. Even though it looks really good, it's a very strong displacement. There's no reason for it to fail. Wait, is there SMT? Not really. Okay, let me see. 4 hour. Damn, it looks so good though. Wait, Wednesday. Okay, it looks so good though. Would I have tried this? Damn it. Nah, I'm not gonna try this. Just gonna wait for. Yeah, it plays out. Yeah, I would have given 101 RR on. Would have been this long. I just didn't want to take this because I thought it was gonna resweep, but he gave 101 RR, so it was pretty decent, not gonna lie. Let's see. Oh, I really like this low resistance generation. It's gonna flush through those. Let me see the 5. How is it holding? Okay, we're inside of that 15 now. I don't think there will be a setup now. I don't see anything. That 1 minute was good. Probably should have taken this considering this displacement, but whatever. Yeah, just gonna go to the next start of the New York session. Thursday, March 28th. We're pretty close to the end of March. We're gonna see the results at the end. Let's see. Holy dump. That is crazy. Okay, there's that 5 minute, I believe. Ooh. That 3 minute looks really good. Not gonna lie. There's that 4 minute. Open 36 and it holds. Overall, that's a really good sweep. That is beautiful. That's like turtle soup. And this 15 holding makes it even better. Overall, we got this buy side here. I don't know where's the yes. Let's see where's the yes. Okay, yes is just generating low resistance. No SMT. Oh yeah, there's this SMT here. Pretty expected. But yeah, let's see. All right, the 4 minute closes, and the 15 minute is about to open up. Not gonna lie, it looks longs look good here, but I like to get some sort of pullback, maybe down there, and then get some longs. So I'm gonna put a limit order because 9:15 is opening up. I feel like ES will just gonna come lower, and we're gonna have that some sort of SMT there. So just gonna place it here, stop loss there. Yeah, it's gonna be the trade idea. Let's see. All right. Unfortunately, we don't get an entry here. So if I entered of this, I would have had stop loss somewhere here. Would have aimed around 101 here. See if it have played out. Yeah, I would have played out, but it's fine though. Let's wait for 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. opening higher. Okay. Got SMT, I believe. Yep. Okay, good displacement lower. No unfilled gaps. Really huge wick. 1 hour. Previous 1 hour is still not too bullish. Respecting this gap on our left. This rejection block still holding. No, we don't really have decent targets here. Let's see. Just plays out. Yeah. All right, this is that 5 minute. Actually, I just noticed. Would I have tried this short? Let me see how the 4 hour open. Pretty good open. Takes out 4 hour. And does ES have? Yeah, ES has a lot of low resistance, so I'll be bearish. I'll try shorts. Just gonna sell here. Stop loss right above here. And full TP, I'm gonna go 101 RR on this because there's this wick. ES could flush, make SMT with NQ, and we could definitely get break even on this. I'm just gonna aim for 101. Just like here. Let's see. Just gotta make sure that ES is not making any SMTs here. Still have that low resistance below, which is good. Okay. That gap should hold us. If it doesn't, then it might be cooked. Yeah, we're generating a lot of low resistance. We're gonna flush through. I think in real market, I would already would have went break even. It probably would have been break even trade, but let's see. Damn, what a chop. That's insane. That's like 12 p.m. I would have definitely went break even. All right, that's where I go break even. That's the final distribution. Final flush that I've been generating flush through all this low resistance that have been generated past, I don't know, but it's insane. I'll just go full TP now here because I feel like we gotta flush heavy. We gotta run this lower now. Let's see. But we already have that one-on-one RR though. But did we make that SMT with this low? Wait, hold on. No. Honestly, because a lot of low resistance, but I would like to get break even on this, but full TP is hit. Now it's gonna flush through, just watch. So just watch how price will just take out all this low resistance. Just a pure example of why low resistance liquidity is just so powerful. Just watch. It's gonna be Drake candle that will just literally take out all this low resistance. Let's see. And can we that? Give me that. It's gonna skip just 5 minutes. Yep, we just flushed through all of it as it was said. And yeah, as you can see here also, right, stacked lows 1 2 3 4, and then we get that displacement. We take out everything, then stacked highs here. We manipulate, take out this previous wick, previous swing low, sell side, and then we chop a bit, and then we get that distribution, taking out all the buy side that was generated. So yeah, that was another good day. Let's go to Friday. Oh, it's Sunday. Okay, I guess then it's over. So yeah, I'll call this. I'd say this is it. Let's see our stats. Okay, session results. 78% win rate. By the way, it's supposed to be 80%, I'm not gonna lie. But let's fix the date range. Let's just do the... Hold on. Let me fix the date range real quick. I'm just gonna put 2024. It's gonna March 1st all the way to 2024 March 31. Yeah, 80% win rate throughout the March, 88 Zella score, insane month. Barely, not a single losing day, 2 break-even days, and the rest of the March we just been making insane amount of bread. Mind you, all the losses actually, this first loss, low risk, high RR type of trade, this was not supposed to be a loss, but I don't know why I took it. I did it 2 times. I hopped in like too early because I knew it was not going to play out, but I still did. Probably that was my mistake, but overall, literally 13 winners. 13 wins, 3 losses, 3 break-evens. Overall up 8K on a month. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have questions, you can ask in the comment section below, or just join my Discord and we can just chat there. This is it. I'm gonna keep posting this type of videos. Hopefully it's helping some of y'all. But I feel like this is the best way to learn trading, because that's how I learned. I remember watching other people backtest, and that just helped me a lot. Try to backtest yourself, apply it on your own, and yeah, I mean, that's like just the best way to learn in general. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow. See y'all soon. So